Did you know that YouTube will allow you to remove shorts completely from your home feed? Whether you find yourself scrolling too much, you just prefer long form content, or you're just seeing too many shorts, YouTube has updated one setting that'll let you remove those shorts from your home feed. And at the end, I will show you one major caveat I ran into while testing out this feature. But let me show you how to do it. So open up YouTube and click on your profile photo. And then you're going to click on the settings cog. And once you're inside settings, you're going to look for time management. That is the setting that YouTube has updated. Toggle on daily limits at the bottom, and you'll see the update 0 minutes is now available as a daily limit. And that's basically going to allow you to turn off shorts on your home feed. So exit out, and then you're going to refresh. And now you have a home feed free of shorts. And then if you click on the shorts tab, you've reached your shorts feed limits. So it's a pretty cool feature, but it only appears to be available on mobile. And by mobile, I don't even mean tablets. I mean cell phones. I tried it on my tablet, no go. Tried it on the desktop, no go. So let me know in the comments, have they rolled this out everywhere? Do you have it? And if you do, is it only on your phone? Because they have all the other options on the tablet and the desktop, but the 0 minutes I only see on the phone. So let me know.